Meaning of Darwinian.
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 Darwinian. The term Darwinian refers to the evolutionary theory proposed by Charles Darwin, which suggests that species evolve over time through natural selection. This process involves variations in traits, with those best adapted to their environment being more likely to survive and reproduce. As a result, the traits that confer the highest adaptive advantage become increasingly common in the population over generations. This principle has been applied to fields beyond biology, such as economics and sociology, where it is used to describe the competitive nature of markets and the survival of the fittest among societal groups.